I am so excited to have Carmen here from Olympus that's going to talk about the top of the line, award-winning, the world's fastest autofocus DSLR. It is the E-M5. Carmen, thank you so much for making the time to come here today.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here.
So first of all, the world's fastest autofocus.
Right. Currently, we can claim the world's fastest. It's 9 frames a second. We're waiting. The challengers are probably going back to the drawing boards to come out with a camera that's trying to be faster than 9 frames. But right now, we have the title of being the fastest.
Excellent. Okay, so tell us a little bit more about the bodies.
The body design was taken from our original film cameras from years ago, the OM1, 2, 3, and 4. They're both the same. This one that you have is all black. This one has the silver plate on top and a silver plate on the bottom. It's a mirrorless micro four thirds. It gives you 9 frames a second, gives you high image quality, 16 megapixel, OLED screen on the back, and a live electronic, eyepiece.
That's what I was going to ask you, is about the electronic viewfinder.
Yes, you have your LCD screen, but the minute you bring the camera up to your eye, it automatically switches to the eyepiece. So It's intelligent enough. I bring it up, it switches to the electronic viewfinder. But the feature more than that, electronic viewfinders in the past have always been kind of a grainy, and when you would pan in the image, you'd get like a little emotion. This has a refresh rate of 120 frames per second. So when you do a pan shot, you're going to get a very smooth. It's almost like you're looking through the old style optical where you were looking through the mirror and through the lens. So it's a very high speed, intelligent electronic viewfinder.
Now also intelligent is the image stabilization because it's within the body, not necessarily the frame.
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
So I'm able to put a wide variety of lenses on here from other manufacturers, or the OM lenses, or the Olympus, some of the micro four thirds lenses and regular four thirds. The image stabilization is the first that we can claim. It's a 5-axis. So you have your horizontal, you have your vertical movement, you have your pitch, and you have your yaw, and you also have rotation. So it's 5 axes, full total image stabilization. It works both in still images and also in the movie mode.
So another great benefit is the wireless flash feature with the E-M5. I know here I have a flash that comes in the box that you just can really easily connect.
Yes.
Just like that, right?
You can set that up now to be the trigger flash, and you can set this to be in the wireless mode. So if we were going to do a product shop or do a portrait of myself, and you wanted to take a picture, you could have this on a post. You could have multiple strobes. That little flash will fire all the remaining strobes. You can do up to like 200 strobes in groups of 3.
Wow. You also have one of the best known dust reduction features. Talk about that.
We were the first to come out with a digital camera that had dust reduction built into it. Every time you turn the camera on, there's a little filter in front of the sensor that pulsates thousands of times per second and knocks any of the dust off. We have an extremely low rate of return, less than 0.1% of the cameras that we've sold have come back in for dust cleaning, which is a benefit to the photographer because they don't have to send their camera in to have their screen cleaned.
Sure. And another great benefit is that it's weather resistant.
Yes, splash proof, dust proof. I can be standing out in a little rain, taking pictures, being out boating, having the waves come over and splash, not damage the camera. It's very well sealed, magnesium alloy frame. You have O-rings on all of the openings to give you a complete seal, so the camera becomes weatherized.
Yeah, definitely. All right, well, thank you so much, Carmen,
You're
for
welcome.
being here today.
Pleasure.
Okay, so for the E-M5, we have actually 4 different options for you. We've got the black, we also have the black with silver, but you can choose to purchase just the body only or the body with lens. Check it out today at Rakuten.com shopping.